We're in the laboratory. We're building the K24 right here. Let me give a little update on this. Just got done refurbishing this, making it look all brand new, nice and pretty. It looks better than what it was. It's not gonna get any better. I don't care, whatever. But it's looking better. Right now, I'm gonna do the oil pump, and then I'm gonna do the ARP. I got ARP head studs. I'm gonna install these right now, as well as the OEM gasket, the oil pump chain, replacing this, and a couple other things. And after that, I think the head goes on, and then after that, the timing chain, and you guys, it's pretty much done. Sheesh, look at this! It's so nice opening up new parts. It's just like so clean and satisfying. This right here is the K24 oil pump, and so it's not for this motor itself, so you have to like mess around right there. Usually there's a little wall right behind this bolt. You have to shave it down. You have to shave some of this down right here, over here too, I think, actually. So to get it to fit here, there's just a better oil pump to run. And then we got this little oil pan, the oil fucking chingas. So anyways, right now we're gonna go ahead and mess with all this, put all this together. All right guys, so I had ordered the wrong chain for the oil pump, so I got the new chain, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. It's pretty straightforward, you guys. I mean, you just put it on here. It's easy. There's nothing that you have to line up here, not till you get the timing chain, obviously. Right here, you're pretty much good. Here's the oil pump. I just got done putting in the head studs. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in this bad boy on, and then afterwards, maybe I put the head, maybe I time it today, maybe I put it all back together today. I have all the parts just to get it over with and done and out of the way. I don't know. I guess we will see. Ignore the mess in the background. It's messy. What can you do? Anyways, you guys, I got this almost set up. I'm just waiting on a timing chain tensioner to put this bad boy all together. I got everything. I did go into a little problem with the rocker arm shaft. Like, I guess it like moves around, so then these middle bolts can't go in. So I had to take it out and do it all over again. It's something new I learned. I learn something every day, which is really cool. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm like Thursday, Friday. Like, I'm gonna do a couple things off camera, but by Friday everything should be together, timed and everything. Timing isn't that complicated. It really isn't. It seems like it's a complicated thing, but it's not that complicated. It has all its markings and everything, so you could be able to time it correctly. So that's what you got to do. So that's what I'm gonna do. Right now I'm just gonna tie in some things up, do some other things. I'm gonna paint the valve cover. I don't know what color yet, but I'm gonna paint it. And then yeah, I guess we'll see from that. I don't know what color to paint it, but I was thinking like yellow for some reason. Yellow, but blue sounds good too, like a wrinkle blue. But I don't know. I guess we'll see. We'll figure it out. We're gonna be timing it. Top dead center over here. There's the arrow, top dead center. Right there, the middle lines are lined up. The gold links to the dots, and now we just gotta hit the gold link down here to this dot right there. Boom, right there. My K-tuned timing chain tensioner. Shut up, K-tuned. And the timing chain tensioner is on, so let's go ahead and take it out. Is that it? That's what all the big fuss is about. Alright, so now that we got it all pretty lined up, let's spin the motor and see how it goes, if it blows up. Looks like it's going. This was dope. I just timed my own freaking motor. You guys, I can do it, you can do it for sure. This is sick. I just timed my own motor. This is my first one. Let's hope it doesn't blow up once I put it in. Alright guys, so now that I got the motor timed and whatnot, I'm gonna lash my valves, whatever. Other than that, you guys, what color do you think I should paint my valve cover? This needs a new color. What color do you think I should paint it? You guys let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.